I thought I would do a super quick little video with a photo about baby skin. This is something I get asked all the time, does it clean up baby skin? As a newborn photographer, there's many babies that come in with all different things on their skin, and you may want to leave all of those beautiful imperfections, or you may want smooth baby skin. It's really up to the parent and the photographer deciding what they want, okay? Now, there's two easy ways you can do it. You can just use the Avoto tool. So we come over here to the face, you can see child, and if you look real closely on the slider will depend on how much I'm going to do. So if I take the slider all the way, you can see that it cleans your skin pretty well. I can come down here, remove any shine, if there's any dark circles or eye bags, and then we can keep coming down. You'll see that there's many different things. You can do infant body blemish, and you look at her arms and you'll see that it's smoothing the rest of her body. And the level of degree is, again, completely up to you. You can come down here to skin retouching, do dodge and burn, sculpting, frequency separation. And you'll see that when I did frequency separation, that really kind of dug in there to smooth her skin. So right away, you can see that just in a matter of seconds, her skin is all clear. You'll notice the watermark. Avoto doesn't charge until you export the image. They have amazing packages, and it's really not expensive at all. Now, I'm going to reset this image because I'm going to tell you just a super easy little secret that I love, which is LSP presets, okay? So if we come over here, you can see that I have LSP presets. You go to www.lsp-actions.com. She has beautiful presets in here. So I can come in here to newborn and I can pick and choose which of the preset I want. But if I come in here and just click all, you can see that her skin is perfect, and it actually did a better job of me just doing my manual controls. So that was 1 second, right? And super, super easy, and you can then export it and do your final touches in Photoshop if you need to. If you don't want to use Photoshop, I believe that you can really master Avoto and just use Avoto for all of your needs. It has all of the other tools like spot healing and clone and patch and all these wonderful tools and many other different options as well, but I thought I would just address the skin issue because I get a lot of messages on the skin.